Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay January 23, 2026 Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong January 23, 2026 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Friday, January 23, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for January 23, 2026, Friday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Friday, January 23, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of January 23, 2026, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result